Google Fi versus Cricket Wireless, which is better? We are going to talk about features, pros, and cons. Google Fi. Google Fi is a mobile virtual network operator, MVNO, that combines networks from Sprint, T-Mobile, and US Cellular to provide coverage. It also uses Wi-Fi for calls and texts when available. Features: network coverage. Access to multiple networks, ensuring better coverage in various locations. Flexible plans, pay-as-you-go pricing or an unlimited plan with discounts for additional lines. International use. Seamless international roaming in over 200 countries at no extra charge for texting and data. Speeds may vary. Pros: coverage. Utilizes multiple networks, potentially offering better coverage compared to single-carrier MVNOs. International use. Great for travelers with extensive international roaming capabilities at no extra cost. Flexibility. Pay-as-you-go pricing allows you to pay for what you use. Data-only SIMs. Useful for tablets and other devices without needing an additional plan. Cons: phone selection. Limited phone selection compared to major carriers. Data speeds. Data speeds might be slower in some regions, especially during peak times. Price can be more expensive for heavy data users compared to other MVNOs, i.e. Cricket Wireless. Cricket Wireless is a prepaid wireless service provider owned by AT&T. It operates on AT&T's nationwide network, providing reliable coverage across the United States. Features: network coverage. Uses AT&T's extensive network, offering reliable coverage across the country. Affordable plans. Various prepaid plans with unlimited talk and text, and different data options. Family plans. Discounts for multiple lines on the same account. No contract, no annual contract required. Operates on a month-to-month basis. Pros: coverage. Reliable coverage on AT&T's nationwide network. Affordability. Competitive pricing, especially for families or multiple lines. No contract. Flexibility to switch plans or carriers without penalties. Phone selection. Wide range of phones available for purchase. Cons: data speeds. Speeds may be slower than AT&T's postpaid plans during peak times or in congested areas. International use. Limited international roaming options compared to Google Fi. Add-on costs, additional fees for international calling and texting. Overall, Google Fi is better suited for those who need flexible international roaming options and coverage across multiple networks, albeit at potentially higher costs for heavy data users. Cricket Wireless, on the other hand, offers reliable domestic coverage at competitive prices, making it a strong choice for users who prioritize affordability and simplicity within the United States. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.